Reggae Roots with the ace. Lassie, I don't know, glow jamming. Georgian rings on the pace. In my team, and all our selfish grace. Science in the time is. I'll go sign off in can use it plate. Jazzy guys, it come play. Riding our birds into a rabbit. The first draw the morning, they say bless Jah hand. Roll up the spliff, Baba Kush from the land. From the hills of Jamaica to the Chalice. Every herb feed the Rasta we overstand. The herb elevate the mind, make me meditate. Selassie guide me step, me not deviate. Make the vibes flow clean, Rasta celebrate. Pure herbs feel we heart, keep it dedicate. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul enticed. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. The healing of the nation Babylon fear. Them try to keep the ganja from the youth everywhere, but we blaze up the chalice and we still keep here. We spread Jah message, make the people aware. Golden seal in my pipe, balance me way. Me say Selassie, I bless me every night and day. With the fire in my heart, truth me display. Me chant Selassie, I make Babylon sway. Feel the blessings from Jah in the smoke we rise. Mystic vibes make me see clear through Jah eyes. The rhythm and the herb keep my soul enticed. Me give thanks for Jah underneath blue skies. One love for the youth, one love for the poor. Herb in the chalice make my soul feel sure. The high vibes carry me to Zion door. Me feel Jah blessings forevermore. Roll up the wisdom, light up the flame. Chant Selassie, I call Jah name. For the herb and the truth, me love sustain. Blessings from Jah now go way again. Zion echoes. Yeah man, Cali Cushion and this belief. Me walk through the hills, me pick up the grade. This a Jah gift way Babylon afraid. From Blue Mountain Peak to the West Coast sun, every herb man knows said the battle just begun. It's a high grade spliff that a Rasta plan. Burn the herb for wisdom make we overstand. Sativa in the morning fi wake up strong. Indica at night when the vibes prolong. A ganja man rise up, sing the herb man song. We burn Babylon rules, Jah lead we strong. With the push pon me side, me carry hope along. Hermann Anthem chant the fire all day long. The white widow nice make my brain feel free. Bubblegum sweet like honey to the bee. Mango kush vibes got me heart at ease. And me chant Selassie I when me feel the breeze. Babylon system to corrupt fi we mind. Herb with defend fi the healing of mankind. Legal legalize and harmonize. Give the youth time to blaze it right, just and make the whole earth shine. A ganja man rise up, sing the Hermann song. We burn Babylon rules, Jah lead we strong. With the push pon me side, me carry hope along. Hermann Anthem, chant the fire all day long. Me nah give up the fight for the Rasta herb, spreading truth in the street with every word. The rhythm of the reggae are the voice we heard. One love philosophy around the world. Take a draw, feel the peace, lift the spirit higher. With the chalice in me hand, me spark Jah fire. Blessings from the herb we truly admire. Natural mystic chanting down the vampire. Selassie guide me step on this righteous road. With the herb in my palm, me carry Jah code. One love for the nation, watch the healing unfold. Rasta man call Jah and no let go. Selassie guide me step on this righteous road. With the herb in my palm, me carry Jah code. One love for the nation, watch the healing unfold. Rasta man call Jah and no let go. Selassie guide me step on this righteous road. With the herb in my palm, me carry Jah code. One love for the nation, watch the healing unfold. Rasta man call Jah and no Zion echoes. Put your notes. Me up in the morning, me start me day. Grab me spliff and me light it up right away. Herb give me energy, herb give me mind clarity. Me no need no medication, only the herb for me therapy. In the yard, me a sizzler the sound. On the beat, reggae lyrics pound. Me give thanks to the creator, him who gave me this gift. Ganja from the earth make me spirits uplift. Me smoke the herb slow, me puff and me think. The herb bring reason when me start to sink. The vibes in my soul make the bad vibes dismiss. The air fresh and sweet like a Caribbean kiss. Smoke the weed, smoke the weed. For the mind, feed the soul, that's the need. Jamaican way, every day me burn. Me go full up the light as my heart learns. Me smoke weed in the sunshine, smoke weed in the rain. The herbs heal my soul, wash away the pain. On the corner, every youth burn a spliff. We keep the fire burning, no we nah go shift. We no come feed the fight, no come feed the fuss. Me light a spliff and the vibes me trust. Jah bless the herb, the sacred plant. Without the herb, my life incomplete and can't. Pon the hills, the breeze cool and light. Ganja in me and me and the herb in a flight. Jamaican sunshine in the sky so bright. My mind wander free like the bird take flight. Me no need no pills, no need no pharmaceutical ways. Herb I heal the body, herb I clear the haze. Reggae music in the background, sound so sweet. Light a fire, feed the people on the streets. Smoke the weed, me smoke the weed. For the mind, feed the soul, that's the need. Jamaican way, every day me burn. Me go full up the light as my heart learns. Me smoke weed in the sunshine, smoke weed in the rain. The herbs heal my soul, wash away the pain. On the corner, every youth burn a spliff. We keep the fire burning, no we nah go shift. Herb from the soil, blessings untainted. Roots grow strong, never a complaint. And when the night fall, me light up me blaze. Me and the herb in a peaceful haze. We live in love, we live in unity. Me no need no more negativity. Jah have a plan for every herb that we grow. Feed the people, the children and the world below. So me take a puff and me feel the energy rise. Me never compromise, me see the truth in the skies. The ganja be the key. Rise up in the morning, Jah shine on my face. Roll up me spliff, it's the chronic me embrace. Cali push on the OG when me blaze. We keep the vibe steady in a positive ways. Me say me nah deal with no negativity. Just the ganja smoke bring the creativity. The Rasta way of life that I feel me philosophy. The herbal we teacher give me clarity. Me say puff it up, lift the spirit high. Gorilla going on me chalice make me touch the sky. We meditate on the rhythm, me no wanna cry. It's a high grade meditation till the day me die. The ganja farmer them fi rise and give thanks for the blessings from the earth we grow in a abundance. Me talking about the sour diesel and the skunker. When me touch the moon rock, me consciousness expand. Babylon was stop we from fi burn we ganja tree, but me say legalize it, set the people them free. This ya herb fi heal the mind and cure anxiety. Me chant fi the herb, me say blaze it righteously. Puff it up, lift the spirit high. Lamb's bread in the chalice make me touch the sky. We meditate on the rhythm, me no wanna cry. It's a high grade meditation till the day me die. We say one love, one heart, in the dance we unite. Herb vibe strong, everything feel right. The rhythm and the bass make me soul ignite. And the sweet kush cloud make me see the light. Jah plant the seed, make the ganja grow. From Kingston to Cali, the good vibes flow. We take a draw for the healing, make the problem them slow. It's a natural mystic in the wind we blow. Blaze the fire red, keep the chalice clean. Pure vibes, pure herb, that's me daily routine. Me say hail Jah Jah, me give thanks for the green. A true Rasta man, keep the spirit serene. Step into Jah Garden, the herbs are bloom. Sweet scent arise in the afternoon. You're talking about that pineapple express. One draw of the herb, relieve all stress. The purple haze mixed with cherry pie. Take me high up on the cloud, in the sky. We said the plant it are the key to uplift with soul. In a Jah Garden, the ganja the goal. Come gather round Jah Garden, burn the spliff them long. Blaze up the vibes, make we chant this song. With the healing of the nation, the love can't wrong. The herb are the remedy, fi make we strong. Baba kush pon me left, me take a steam. The sun shine bright, life feel like a dream. The sweet Cali gold make me laugh and play. With Jah herbs in me and me face a brighter day. Me call out to the youth, say nurture the root. For every Rasta man, herb a Jah fruit. The vibes it make we dance, uplift the loot. From Kingston to Addis Ababa, the vibe absolute. Come gather round Jah Garden, burn the spliff them long. Blaze up the vibes, make we chant this song. With the healing of the nation, the love can't wrong. The herb are the remedy, fi make we strong. The fire blaze bright in the dead of night. We chant Selassie under moonlight. In a Jah Garden, the future look bright. With the herb we are light up the fight. Here we right, golden push like the fire, make the evil flee. Herb a Jah remedy for humanity. Me give thanks for the gift Jah Garden at the place where me love to be. Come sing it loud, hail Jah name. With the herb as the truth, we make the claim. For the healing of the heart, it remove the pain. Jah Garden always call again and again. Come gather round Jah Garden, burn the spliff them long. Blaze up the vibes, make we chant this song. With the healing of the nation, the love can't wrong. The herb are the remedy, fi make we strong. Fire burn, herb for the soul. Jah Bless Di Green, me like the gold. Smoke the weed, make the vibe flow. Jamaican herbs in me heart and me grow. From the first light in the morning, me wake and rise. And me see the sun, me see the blue skies. Me have a spliff, ready for the day. Herb for the mind, herb for the way. Every puff me take, me release the stress. Me and the herb, Jah bless, me no second guess. From the east to the west, me feel the connection. Herb in my life, me true direction. The ganja so sweet, me grow it with pride. The herb from the earth, no need to hide. A Jamaican youth, me live the true life. Me no need no drama, no pain, no strife. Jah Bless Di Green, light up the scene. Smoke the weed, feel so serene. Feed the vibes, feed the soul. Me and the herbs blend. Inna the circle, no fiend we amend. Jah Bless Di Green, the power in the herb. Every spliff me burn, me feel the joy serve. Me keep the peace, me stay clean. Together we chant, together we dream. Under the moon, me take a pause. Lift the herb in a silence, me never stop cause. Ganja a power for the weak and the strong. With Jah in me heart, me know me belong. From Kingston streets to the mountain top, the herb keep me steady when life pop. One puff me talk to the Father above. No fear in the heart, just faith and love. Jamaican roots, we a carry the flame. Herb give power, we no play the same game. Me rising at the night and the herb and me guide. Me trust Jah fi lead, me flow with the tide. Jah Bless Di Green, light up the scene. Smoke the weed, feel so serene. Feed the vibes, feed the soul. Me and the herbs blend. Inna the circle, no fiend we amend. Jah Bless Di Green, the power in the herb. Every spliff me burn, me feel the joy serve. Me keep the peace, me stay clean. Together we chant, together we dream. We chant the meditation in the green we find. Me smoke me herb slow, cleanse my mind. Feed the future, feed the past, we rise above. Herb feed the heart, herb feed the love. So when me roll me spliff, me think of the lands, the growth of the green in me earthly hands. We all a part of this creation divine. In every puff, me sip the wine. Smoke it high, light the sky. Zion echoes. Aye, aye, aye. The herb and the truth where the world must know. Babylon them fight it, but we still let it grow. So our diesel vibes make me spirits aglow. The healing revelation, Jah blessings bestow. Roll up the chalice with blue dream tonight. Meditation steep, me see Jah insight. With the rhythm in me heart, me chant for unite. We elevate we soul to a higher height. It's a herb revelation, blaze it high. For the healing of the nation, me chant we not right. Pure love and Jah light make the darkness fly. Every drop from the herb make me spirit amplify. Cherry AK twist on me finger tight. Jah guide the youth through the struggles of life. Me say the herb plant sacred, them forget it right. Cure the pain of the world, make Jah love ignite. Every spliff a message, Jah wisdom pure. The herb carry healing when no that can cure. In a Jah kingdom, herb grow secure. A legacy of peace where we'll always endure. It's a herb revelation, blaze it high. Feed the healing of the nation, me chant will not cry. Pure love and Jah light make the darkness fly. Every drop from the herb make me spirit amplify. Rise up Rasta youth, elevate the mind. Herb in a Jah garden, its roots divine. From the hills of Jamaica to Africa line. Unity in a the smoke where the ganja define. Let it blaze, let it heal, let the herb speak true. From the kush to the skunk, Jah's gift for you. Take a drop for the wisdom and for renew. Every puff a message fi guide me through. Revelation come bright like the sunrise call. Herb vibes strong make the Babylon fall. With Jah in a me heart, me rise above all. Revelation herb strong, me always stand tall. Back to the roots, chalice in a me hand. Burn the herb in a Zion land. From the high mountain top, the side Jah plan. Fi uplift the youth, make them overstand. This your vibes make me heart feel free. In a the kush cloud, me find clarity. The rhythm in me soul, it's a Rasta plea. Fi chant the words of peace eternally. Roots and chalice burn the fire so strong. Lift up Jah name with the ganja song. Herb man carry light when the nights are long. Back to the roots where we all belong. Roll up the star that burn it pure and clean. Ganja make me mind sharp, keep me heart serene. Me chanting at the firelight under moonbeam. Selassie guide the Rasta through the eye man dream. Blueberry cushion at the chalice blaze. With the herbal remedy me spend me days. Uplift the spirit, me soul feel amazed. With the sound of the drum, we give Jah praise. Roots and chalice burn the fire so strong. Lift up Jah name with the ganja song. Herb man carry light when the nights are long. Back to the roots where we all belong. One Jah feed the peace, make the anger cease. Spread Jah truth in the belly of the beast. Herb vibes strong, the healing increase. We pray Jah love will never release. Roots and chalice keep the fire alive. In the high grade herb, Rasta thrive. The rhythm of the earth make we unify. Selassie guide me steps as the days go by. Lion's breath strong, puff it up in the morn. Jah guide me steps from the day me born. The skywalker OG make me spirit transform. heart stay warm. They say me not go bow, me live true and firm. The fire burn bright while the tables them turn. The chronic in my chalice help me discern. Babylon system, soon them have to learn. Blaze it up, lion's breath so sweet. High grade herb lift me off my feet. Jah light me path with the rhythm for me beat. Lions roar, hear it loud in the street. Granddaddy purping at the evening haze. Elevate the youth, gun Babylon ways. With Jah light, me sight better days. Herb vibes carry me, give Selassie praise. We step up on the front line with courage and zeal. With the ganja cure, the whole nation heal. Herb in me pocket, Jah vibes real. The lion's breath guide me if say how me feel. Blaze it up, lion's breath so sweet. High grade herb lift me off my feet. Jah light me path with the rhythm for me beat. Lions roar, hear it loud in the street. Puff it up strong, chant Selassie name. Jah herb heal me soul, ease the pain. Lion's breath flame shine bright again. Rasta live forever in the lion's den. Zion echoes. Come on. We start on the roots, the foundation deep. With me herbal split, me consciously. Lamb's bread, wisdom make me spirit keep. The roots of Zion strong, me sow and reap. The cushion on me and say the vibe supreme. Bubblegum cloud float like in a dream. Every leaf a message from Jah unseen. Meditation heavy like a reggae stream. We chant the roots of Zion, the fire of it burn. From the ganja field, me say life of it turn. Elevate your spirit, every lesson me learn. In the smoke of Zion, Selassie concerned. Golden goat blaze when me ponder just plan. Teach the youth truth so the mission stand. With the chalice bright me explore the land. Rasta wisdom spread across the nation band. Them try feel like it out but just spirit free. The herb from the earth bring harmony. Me blaze high vibes will fill me energy. Guided by Jah light for eternity. We chant the roots of Zion, the fire of it burn. From the ganja field, me say life of it turn. Elevate your spirit, every lesson me learn. In the smoke of Zion, Selassie concern. Roots in the earth, branches reach Jah throne. Every Rasta man feel Jah seed has grown. Through the rhythm of the drum, Jah love is shown. Every puff, every chant, just truth we own. Breathe deep, lift Jah vibes, let the chalice spin. With the herb of Zion, pure peace begin. From the roots to the sky, Jah light within. The fire of the Rasta spirit always win. Back to the roots where me find Jah sound. Herb vibes healing in a Zion grown. Forever Selassie guide me life all around. In the roots of Zion, Jah love abound. We chant the roots of Zion, the fire of it burn. From the ganja field, me say life of it turn. Elevate your spirit, every lesson me learn. In the smoke of Zion, Selassie concern. We chant the roots of Zion, the fire of it burn. From the the ganja feel me say life have to turn. Elevate your spirit every lesson me learn. Inna the smoke of Zion, Selassie concern. Back to the roots where me find Jah sound. Herb vibes healing in a Zion grown. Forever Selassie guide me life all around. In the roots of Zion, Jah love abound. ourselves without a care. With island harmony, so pure and true, let the music take us through. Somebody not living out the story I can feel it. No white to burn me, no weapon what to fooling down. Soul as Chalice will have written inside a facing up and feeling. I seen pictures where people come to the lounge. Oh, island harmony. So much that the rings, now we are into the leaving. Backward and brain, fist me, keep your fully touched down. I see low, sleep with the need for a man, your shit's just an easy. With treatments and orchards and sweet for a round. with island harmony, so pure and true. Let the music take us through. Yes, jazz and fright, forget Bob. Turn around with the love that's in them. These last case sounds too favored. Host long love the reeds for leaving. Island harmony, in the air. We lose ourselves without a care.